Welcome back to Father Son Diecast. Checking out a Walmart I don't usually go to. Oh, they got some Zamex. At least one. Didn't see much else on the pegs over there. Got some new ones of these guys. Ooh, haven't seen this one yet. M2s are picked through for sure. It's a cool Studebaker truck though. Oh, have not seen these yet. Been looking for them. There's the Impala, the Funny Car, Mustang, and the Midnight Express truck. A couple of these cool Beetles down here, but no chase. I think this is all I'm going to take. It's good with me. Roll yesterday's footage into today, which is Tuesday, and this Dollar Tree still don't have anything. I was actually in this same Dollar Tree yesterday morning, and you know, same things on the pegs, and I kind of walked by the stock room. The doors were open, and I saw a couple of H cases in the back. So I asked one of the employees, "Hey, you got any Hot Wheels in lately?" And he said, "Nope, we haven't got any." I didn't press the issue. It's all good. I'll wait till they're on the pegs. That's more exciting anyway. Moving on. Well, haven't been to this Ralph since me and Xander were last year, but seems they still have some weird mix. Old 2023 stuff. So that's pretty cool. But they're not going to be stocking anytime soon. And nothing at this one yet either, man. I have to go back out on my lunch. I have a feeling they're going to stock in the afternoon. This Dollar Tree still hasn't got new Hot Wheels this week. I am off for the day now. They haven't got any more Matchbox either. So it doesn't seem like it's going to be a once a week stock at this new Dollar Tree. But hopefully they get new Hot Wheels soon. I haven't checked this Walgreens in a minute. Looks like nothing new. Nobody likes those twin mills. Yeah, nothing. Cool. Moving on. You gotta be kidding me, dude. This thing is a beauty. Beauty. Got a Five Below now. What do we got here? Bunch of 55th anniversaries. That's cool. Take an Integra. Such a really loud music in here, man. Jeez. Get rid of these metal machines. Oh, the Camaro. I don't think we ever got that one. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Nope, not nice. A bunch of the Camaros and Integras, though. Like somebody already went through all this anyway. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it in there. What's this one down here? Another Camaro. Cool. And I just found this Indiana Jones Ducati bike. Sweet. Alright, out of Walmart now, and they have a bunch of cars, but nothing good left. Well, that was stupid. I thought I was recording the whole time, but it wasn't. Aisle got crowded anyway, but this is all I got. That Challenger SRT Hellcat's sweet. And the McLaren F1 GTR. I think we already have that, but thought I'd get another one anyway. And found the Daytona Frozen Black Pearl. That'd be a nice chase, huh? They also had the new Boulevards, but only the couple cars that nobody wants, I guess, are left. The Pro Stock and the... what's the other one called? I can't even remember. You know what it is. Looks like they also got a bunch of M case, but it was already gone through. And this Target's pretty dead. Still the same premiums left over. They did get the new Ultra Hots, but only these three left. Already have those. And pretty much nothing else. I think I might be done for the day. That one's still there. That's cool. When did they start carrying Hot Wheels at Big Five? That's wild. Alright, we're back at home base. Started this one off yesterday, but only hunted at a couple stores. Went to a Dollar Tree, the one where they said they didn't have anything in the back, but they did, and I left. Then I went to a Walmart, and this was Monday. Today's Tuesday night. You'll see this Wednesday. But found these Frozen Black Pearl Special Edition M2s at Walmart. This is my favorite, the Midnight Express truck. Really nice. Love that black pearl. Got the Impala, 1958 Impala. And also the Mustang Funny Car, 1969. But I just realized right now there is a crack on that case. And I saw another one today. Well, maybe we'll open it. Then today went to a couple stores, didn't find much until I went to a Five Below. Found some more of the 55th anniversary Hot Wheels. And we got the Acura Integra. I know we have everything except for, let me see. Yeah, that's right, the Camaro. We never found the 67 Camaro. So we had the Unimog, the Porsche 993 GT2, we got the Integra already, and we got the Twin Mill, and we got the C10, but we never found this. Found a couple of them at that Five Below, but one of them had a damaged blister. Didn't grab the other one that was good, but all good. Got the complete set. I can take that tech deck down and put this on Xander's wall. And also the 2021 Volkswagen Golf GTE. Beautiful, beautiful purple paint job on that. And the Indiana Jones themed Ducati Scrambler. That is a really cool bike. I love it. Then went to a Walmart. I was videoing in there, but recording in there rather. But I stopped it and didn't realize it until I was walking away from the diecast section. But they had a bunch of neon speeders. This card's a little bent up, but I grabbed the McLaren F1 GTR and the 2015 Dodge Challenger SRT Hellcat because I know Xander's going to want both of these. I do regret not getting the Mercedes AMG GT3 because I thought we had it, but it turns out it was the 2016 Cadillac. Yeah, I thought we had the AMG, so I didn't get it. They're like almost $4 each. So I left it behind. But I know Xander's going to be happy about the Hellcat and the McLaren. I don't think we got that one. Then at the same Walmart, I saw more of the Black Pearls, the Frozen Black Pearls, and found the 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona Hemi. Super awesome. I didn't realize that all of these could be chases or super chases. But sweet, we got 4 of those. I think there's like 6. I don't know, we'll find the others hopefully. And tonight I ended up at a Walmart. I didn't plan on shooting any video, but I walked in and I noticed that they got the Walmart exclusive B case. I don't know when they got it. I talked to another collector there. That's partly why I didn't video. Ended up talking to him for like 30 minutes. Cool guy. His name is Christian. Nice to meet you, buddy. If you're watching this. And thank you so much for hooking these up. He handed these to me. So I know we never found these in the wild, the Mighty K's. I think I bought one on Whatnot, and I don't think we had any of these zingers. So pretty cool. I'm happy about that. But that pretty much covers everything we got from this hunt. And one more thing, little mail call from Mattel today. Finally came the Bree Dotson 510s. That went on sale last Tuesday, I believe, about a week ago, yeah. And I don't know why. They have a warehouse that is closer to us in San Bernardino, and it would have came the next day. But for some reason, they keep shipping me stuff from Pennsylvania. I do want to open one of these. It's one of each, or one for each of us, but I'll open mine, and Xander can have, or this could be Xander's. So that's what I'm going to open on this video. I'm going to need 2 hands. All right, got it open. I'm super excited to see this one in person. Can I get it out of there with one hand? I thought I can start recording now. Come on, man. All right, hold on a second. All right, it actually just needed a little bit more shaking. But, oh boy. Oh boy. That is a beauty. Man, I love how that looks. That is just awesome. Beautiful, beautiful casting. This is one of my favorites, if not my favorite. So glad to see this in person finally. It just looks so nice. All right. Well, that is it for this video. I don't think there's anything else I'm going to open. There is one other thing I noticed that I wanted to point out really quick. I don't know what that is on the casting. It is definitely in there. It's definitely in the blister. Nothing has touched this car. So that's something that dripped on there in the factory. And I don't know what it is. Somebody blow a snot rocket on there or something. Actually, I kind of want to open it just to get a closer look. I'm going to leave it closed. Maybe I'll have Xander open it on another video. All right, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and we'll see you next time. Peace.